am about to make a large present wall decor. I'm using this canvas, wrapping paper, and this silver ribbon. And this is my inspiration photo. It comes from Lifestyle Designs with Teresa.
All the presents can wait. We got plenty of time to celebrate. Falling snow and music down low. Let's slow dance under the mistletoe. Cheek to cheek, side by side, swaying merrily by the firelight. I've made my list, I've wished my wish, hoping that Santa comes through. I just want this, your Christmas kiss, 'cause that is all I wished for. That is all I wished for. That is all I wished for this year. I don't need expensive things, no fancy cars or diamond rings. What I want, money can't buy, and I'm hoping my wish